revised my videos and I saw that I'm really excited everything about the new product. So I'm really excited about this one. This one has been on my search list for a long time, since there are no more originals. And they more or less all break if you're doing something with the dome assembly. Bum bum bum. It's the lenses. So these were really sought of, and if you have original ones, they are super extra filthy expensive. But Octo has acquired them in their sales program, and I was happy, double happy about it. The most common problem at these are this stopper and this stopper, because they go in the dome assembly. I'll show it, I have a spare one here. And they break, of course, at this part. I tried to glue it, I tried to solder it, I tried plastic welding, everything. It just isn't the same. So, thankfully and happily, Octo is supplying these. I'm not even going to put them on the mat, but I'm going to keep them safe here. So, the assembly will be done on the bench because it's easier for me to shoot than to explain. It won't be long because it's basically just push it in. As I mentioned, we'll be installing this on the bench. Point of fixation here and here is going inside here and inside here. If you have an existing original dome, then these contacts are at the correct height. If you will be exchanging your dome assembly, you need to exchange the contacts as well. This one is damaged because I did some experiments on it. But in any case, these contacts have to be the correct ones and the same ones, because we will be going in the dome assembly kind of like this. We'll either go from one side in, but then the stress is on this side, or both at once, maybe like this, and push it in. But I wouldn't go from this side because you might not catch this one here. So either you go like this, first on the left, and push this one down, but then I suppose that the stress factor will be here, or if you can manage going with the same force down. So I won't be doing this because I'm not in the car, but this is the general idea. In any case, tread carefully with these, because if this breaks or this, it's not repairable. It's a hard situation afterwards. So take your time, check how it's in, maybe check with the old one, do some exploration, let's say, and try to assemble it without any issues.